Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful hair dye and different ideas of haircut in today's my collection. Different ideas of hairstyles in low maintenance, some ideas fine hairstyles, so beautiful collection of messy hairstyles, spiky hairstyles. Different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cuts, some ideas layered, some ideas step. Beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color. Dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. And much more latest collection, latest ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.